Autex is a family-owned New Zealand company. We've been manufacturing here and making our products since 1967, which is a long time ago. And we make our Greenstuf insulation. We make a range of interior acoustic products that make classrooms and buildings a little bit quieter. And we also make non-woven carpets that are found in homes and offices and schools all across New Zealand and Australia. So we're really proud of Greenstuf because it is different. Greenstuf is made from polyester fibre. Polyester is a technical name for PET plastic. PET plastic is what we know as Coke bottles and milk bottles. So polyester is the little tiny fibre that's made from that plastic. Greenstuf is different because it's made from polyester, but it's also different because a lot of the plastic has had a previous life, possibly as a Coke bottle or a milk bottle. It's also great in the manufacturing process because we don't add any nasty things to it. It is just the polyester fibre that makes Greenstuf that we can reuse it and recycle it at the end of production. So there's no waste going to landfill from our production process. And at the end of Greenstuf's life, we can use it again. So it never ever needs to go into landfill and become a problem.
Start of the process is the blending process. The operator loads a recipe of different types of colours of fibre onto a conveyor belt. The fibres are then processed through openers, which opens and elongates the fibres to create a web. The web is then lapped onto a conveyor belt, which is fed into an oven, which activates the low melt fibre, locking it all together, giving it some structure. As it comes out of the oven, the pad is then split into its required width. Then further down, it's cross-cut to its spec length. Then on to distribution, where it's loaded onto trucks and sent out around the country to keep houses nice and warm.
When we make the insulation, there's offcuts and things that come from the manufacturing process. All of that gets chopped up and reused back into the process. So anything that we make is either product that goes out to the market, or we recycle that in-house and that gets turned into more product along the way. So that means we don't have big bags of waste or big rubbish bins of waste from manufacturing Greenstuf. We're really proud New Zealanders here. We're really proud of doing things right in a manufacturing sense. It's easy for big businesses to make a lot of money and not care for the environment, but that's not the ethos that sits within Autex. So we're really proud of doing that right. As consumers, when you buy a soft drink, you get some plastic with that. You've got a choice to put that in the rubbish bin, where it can go into landfill, or you can choose to recycle it. Make a little difference for New Zealand and where we are and who we are. If we all choose to recycle and do the right thing, we get to leave New Zealand clean and green and beautiful and better for generations to come.